Very good morning. I am Dr. B. DEIVASIGAMANI, working as an associate professor, CS in Marine Biology Department, Faculty of Marine Sciences, Annamalai University, Parangipettai. Today I am going to talk about general characters of Protozoa. So all of you know very well about that. What is Protozoa? Protozoa, in lower level to higher level people, you know that those who are in LKG to for higher studies, all the students and researchers, they know very well about what is the protozoan animals. But this protozoans have peculiar characters and salient features is there. So this talk, some small identifications and what are the specific characterization of phylum Protozoa. So I will share with some important scientific characterization of Protozoa. Let us see general character of Protozoa. It is a microscopic in size. You know, it is very small. You are not mentioning it's very small because small, what is the size of that? It is very minute microscopic animal, microscopic organism. More than 65,000 protozoan species are identified. It is found in freshwater, marine and moisture terrestrial habitat mode of life. In make up part of zooplanktons and serve as food for animals in marine and freshwater system. The protozoans first seen by Leeuwenhoek in 1675. Many species are free living habits. You know that there are 60,000 known species of phylum Protozoans. The protozoan exhibit mainly two forms. You know that free livings and parasitic mode of lives. You know what is the free livings? You can have aquatic, freshwater and sea water, you know, that freely living the organism, you should namely known as the free living organism of protozoans. And the parasitic mode of life, it is an ectoparasite and endoparasitic mode of life is there. They are also common cells in habitats. They are very small, usually microscopic, not visible. It is not visible without a microscope. They are simple and primitive of all animals. They have a simple body organizations, that means with a protoplasmic grade of organizations. The body is unicellular without tissue and organs. So this is a unique and important character of protozoans. All of you know very well about that. So that you can recall this. What is the protozoan means? It is a first unicellular animals. That unicellular animals means without any tissue and organs. They have one or more nuclei which are monomorphic or dimorphic in nature. Body naked or bounded by pellicle, but in some form may be covered with a shell and often provided with an internal skeleton also is there. Some of the species, some of the protozoans, they are solitary mode of life or colonial mode of life. The colonial mode of life means it is a group of living together. So that type of the organism should called colonial mode of life. Solitary, it's a substance, and single, they are surviving in the environment. So that kind of the animals namely known as solitary mode of life, protozoans. Body shape is variable, maybe spherical shape, oval shape, sometimes it's elongated or flattened size. Body is symmetrical, either non or bilaterally or radially or spherically body nature. The body form usually constant, varied in some while the changing with environmental or aging in many. The protozoans body protoplasm is differentiated into an outer ectoplasm and inner endoplasm. You know that the outermost covering area known as ectoplasm, that means the outer layer of ectoplasm, and the inner layer it should be called endoplasmic or endoplasmic layers. You should call the endoplasmic layers. The single cell body perform all the essential and vital activity which characterize the animal body, hence only subcellular physiological divisions of labor. Locomotory organs are finger like pseudopodia is there, and whip like flagellas, and hair like cilia also is there. The nutrition may be allozoic, you know the allozoic mode of nutrition, halophytic nutrition and saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic is a parasitic mode of nutrition, and animal like, that is a allozoic type of nutrition. Halophytic, that is plant like nutrition, namely known as allophytic nutrition type. The digestion occurs in the intracellular, which takes place inside the food vacuoles. The respiratory systems are the respiration, there is no respiratory system because it is an invertebrate animal, you cannot see any systems, but system like things is there. The respirations only occurs by diffusion through the general body surface, and excretory organ is not there. Excretion is occur through the general body surface, but some form through a temporary opening in the ectoplasm or through a permanent pore called cytophagy. Cytophagy, it's a small opening in the exterior part of the body, that is the excretory functions. And contracting vacuole perform a osmoregulation in freshwater forms and also help in removing excretory products. And next characters, the reproduction is sexual and asexual type of reproductions. You know the sexual, namely binary or the multifissions, budding type of sporulations. So these are the asexual type of reproduction, and sexual reproduction is conjugation type, allogamy and syngamy, that is a gam formation. The two type of reproductions is there in protozoans animal. And the life cycle of complicated with the alternation of asexual and sexual phase is there, and encystment commonly occurs the resist the unfavorable conditions of food, temperature and moisture, and also help in disposals. The single celled individual not differentiated into somatoplasm and germplasm, therefore except from natural death, so which is the price paid for the bodies. And the protozoans exhibit mainly two forms of life. Already I told him, the one is the free living organism and another parasitic type of organism. They are also commercially inhabitat, commensal inhabitants. For example, you know a lot of example is there, namely that you know very well about the amoeba, euglena, paramecium and plasmodium. So these are the some central character of small general and salient features of protozoans. Okay, thank you.